Cohen here, Cohen on Content. I got Bill Collins. You've heard me say if you watch these vlogs, which is supposed to be a joke, but then you start taking it seriously and sending me real emails, you hear me mention this guy's name. I say there's a bunch of smart guys in the business. And I name you 4, 5, 6 of them, and I say Bill Collins. Him. I think the first time, well, he suckered me into going to Toronto, Canada the first time, or was that?
Yep. Yeah. Toronto. The first Strategy Institute conference, the first sort of successful digital signage industry trade show.
Right.
Yeah.
But wait a minute, now that I think about it, weren't we in San Francisco also?
That was later.
Was that later?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that was later.
And then you got me to Orlando.
Yeah,
I remember that. Yeah.
Yeah, there's been a lot of them.
He shows you how smart he is. He gets me to run around. Bill does different kinds of research, but he's very specific in some areas. And I could explain it and screw it up. And I don't want to do that. So I'm going to ask Bill to explain it, because, you know, we've got the Arbitrons, we've got the Nielsen's, you got, what's that one? I like those guys, PQ, DQ?
PQ Media.
PQ Media?
Yeah, People Count, they're good too.
Really?
Ps, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
But this guy, go ahead, you tell him what it is that you guys do.
Yeah, our specialty basically is doing hardcore specialties, B2B research. So stuff within the industry where you're not talking necessarily to consumers, but to various verticals, sectors, to find out how they view what we do in this space. We do some consumer research, but basically it's the B2B research. Some of the consulting that goes around it is our core company.
And some of the stuff that you can do is to do the research before I deploy.
Yeah.
Come back to me and say, okay, look, this is what you're trying to do, and this is what the factors out there are telling us to help you do it.
That's right.
Now, see, most of the research we do is after the fact.
Right.
You know, once we're deployed, then we do research to measure engagement, to measure recall, and that's for the advertisers.
Yeah. Reach, frequency, all that stuff.
That's right.
Yeah.
Some guys are starting out, or not even starting out, but have deployed and looking to expand. They'll come to you to go out there and say, well, here's the size screens. I mean, I'm simplifying, I know. Size screens, type of software, type of reporting software can do, the business that you're going to, the business in which you're deployed, how they feel about it, how they work about it. Am I right?
Yep, you got it.
Guy's so smart, I'm telling you. It's like math or something.
I got you fooled, I think.
Yeah.
It sounds like it at least.
Bill, here's what we're going to do. This is going up on Cohen on Content. You've seen it.
Yeah.
And what's going to happen is I'm going to get emails. I'm going to get texts. I'm going to get tweets. And they're going to need a place to go to find out more about specifically what Precision does. Tell them about what's the website?
It's DecisionPointMedia.com.
All right. You can go there, contact them direct instead of sending me an email and waiting for me to get around to it. This guy is great. All right. Thanks,
Thank
Bill.
You, Phil.
Thank
pleasure,
you.
Always a pleasure.
See, this might be the last one from DSE, and how amazing has this show been?
Good show. Good show.
I can't wait to see you from the next one. Okay, I'm going to see you in San Francisco. Okay, cool. Thank you, Bill.